Curitiba is the Brazilian metropolis that best solved the issue of urban mobility. On foot, by car, pedaling, or by bus, here everyone has their right to come and go assured. From home to work, to school, to sports, to leisure, to wherever one needs to go, Curitibanos count on an urban space planned for displacement. The street system, signage, mass transport, bicycle lanes, the traffic inspection system, all of this works to facilitate people's displacements. In reality, the project to ensure people's mobility in Curitiba was thought over 30 years ago. This proposition's essence lay in the innovative idea of a trinary lane system, an axis with exclusive bus lanes, with slow-moving traffic lanes on either sides, paralleled by two fast-moving one-way traffic streets in opposite directions, outbound and inbound. With a terminal downtown and changeover stations along the axis to receive bus passengers coming from outlying neighborhoods, in addition to comfortable bus stops, the scenery was set for the express bus system specifically designed for it. Since the 70s, the population of Curitiba has grown threefold. Mass transit was enhanced, evolving in terms of comfort and technology, but the trinary system remains in its original conception. With time, express buses gave way first to articulated buses, then later to bi-articulated vehicles. Today, 160 of these giant buses, each one with capacity to transport 270 passengers, cover the 72 kilometers of exclusive lanes in the city's 5 major corridors. On top of this, the system was complemented by 5 circular inter-district lines which allow displacements between districts without having to come to the center of town. And also by the speedy lines that, with a smaller number of stops, ensure faster trips. And by the circular South Line, a transport corridor that every day facilitates the mobility of 100,000 people who work and live in the southern region of the city. Other lines were added to cater to specific segments of the public. In the tourism line buses, visitors and tourists are taken on a tour covering the city's main attractions. People who need to visit medical ambulatories or visit relatives or friends in hospital interment have at their disposal the buses of the inter-hospital line. Old bus stops were replaced by new urban equipment, or by avant-garde design tube stations that have become landmarks in the Curitiba landscape. Here, passengers disembark or pay and wait to board their buses, sheltered from rain and cold. Another key feature of the mass transport system of Curitiba is the single fare. Users pay one fare and can define their routes covering the entire city. This way, people on shorter routes subsidize those that must make longer ones. The integration of the system created by the terminal and tube station network is beneficial to 88% of users who must every day take more than one bus to reach their destinations. Currently, our transportation system integrates with those of the 13 municipalities in the metropolitan region of Curitiba, transporting 500,000 passengers who live or work in these cities. Overall, every day, about 2 million passengers use the nearly 2,000 buses that cover the 438,000 kilometers at every 24 hours, equivalent to 10 times around the world. Curitiba's solutions to the problem of mass transit, offering subway quality services at an infinitely lower operating cost, is recognized all over the world. Fast, comfortable, economical, buses are causing many people to leave their cars at home. Result? Fewer cars in the streets, less pollution, more mobility for citizens in transit. Now, traffic is going to get even better with the changes being carried out by the City Hall in the street system. By continually proposing new ideas and innovative solutions for the mass transit system, for the street system, for bicycle lanes, for traffic surveillance and sidewalk system, the City Hall of Curitiba maintains the city in the leading edge in the world in urban mobility for cities of its size. A city where the citizens' right to come and go is assured for every citizen.